Ever watched a basketball game and wished the video description could tell you exactly who just made that incredible shot? You know, like, oh, that was Steph Curry nailing a three-pointer. But current AI systems often just say a player or someone instead. That's the problem this research is tackling. Right now, most sports video captioning tools either ignore player identities entirely or rely on guesswork. They might say a player makes a two-point shot, but you're left wondering who. Some methods try to fix this by adding extra data, like player stats or news articles, but that info isn't always tied to the actual video. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. This team from Beijing University of Technology and others flipped the script. They built a system called LLM-IAVC. Think of it as an AI that's obsessed with knowing who's on the court. Here's how it works. First, they created a massive new dataset called NBA Identity, with 9,726 videos of real NBA games. Each video is tagged with player names, positions, and even specific actions like three-point shot or assist. But the real magic happens in their AI model. The system uses three key parts. The Player Identification Network, PIN, acts like a detective scanning videos to spot players and match them with their real names. Then there's the Bidirectional Semantic Interaction Module, BSIM, which connects what the players are doing with a broader game context, like linking a dunk to the score or crowd reactions. Finally, a Visual Context Learning Module, VCLM, grabs the big picture stuff, like the game's flow or key moments. All these pieces come together to create a multimodal prompt for a large language model, LLM. Instead of just saying a player scored, the AI now knows to say, Stephen Curry hits a three-pointer with 10 seconds left. The results. Their model outperforms previous methods by a huge margin, especially when it comes to naming players correctly. Why does this matter? Imagine using this tech for live sports broadcasts, video searches, or even training AI coaches. It's not just about fancy captions. It's about making video content meaningful by connecting actions to the people behind them. So next time you watch a game, think about the AI working behind the scenes to give you the full story. And who knows? Maybe one day, your favorite team's highlights will come with captions that feel as personal as a friend, describing the game to you. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is changing sports tech, hit subscribe. Ever wonder how a computer could really understand a basketball game? Not just the score or the final play, but the stories behind every pass, every block, every hustle move. That's exactly what researchers tackled with the NBA Identity Dataset, a treasure trove of video and data designed to teach AI the language of basketball with personality. Let's break it down. Imagine you're watching a game, and you want to describe what's happening. You'd say things like, LeBron drives to the basket and dunks, right? But teaching a machine to say that, it's like trying to explain a joke in a foreign language. The NBA Identity Dataset solves this by pairing video clips with super specific labels. Instead of just player scores, it says, LeBron James, three-point shot from the top of the key. It's like giving the AI a cheat sheet that names every player and every move. Here's the cool part. This dataset isn't just about big moments. It's packed with 9,726 video clips from 40 real games, tagging 321 players and over 250 different actions, like steal, rebound, or even loose ball foul. But they didn't stop there. They made sure to keep things like missed shots and rebounds separate. Why? Because when a player misses a three-pointer, the ball is still in play, and someone's about to grab the rebound. Merging those into one category would lose that critical chain of events. And guess what? They even tracked where players were on the court. Picture this, a clip shows Kevin Durant flying for a rebound. The dataset doesn't just say, rebound. It marks his exact position in every frame. This helps AI connect actions to the right player, like a digital highlight reel with GPS. But how do you teach a machine to notice all this? Researchers used tools like tesseract-ocr to sync live commentary with the action, turning voice into text. They also filtered out rare events, like jump balls, to focus on the stuff that happens again and again. It's like training a kid to recognize dogs by showing them hundreds of photos of golden retrievers, not just one weird poodle. Why does this matter? Well, imagine an AI that instantly crafts a summary like, Curry hits a step-back three, then dunks on the fast break, or a coach getting hyper-specific stats on every player's defensive rotations. This dataset is the foundation for that future, where AI doesn't just watch games, but understands them, down to the player and the play. So next time you watch a game, remember, behind the scenes, scientists are building tools to turn chaos into clarity. And that's the power of smart, player-focused AI. Want to see how it all works? Let's dive deeper.